Hello everyone and welcome back again. In this video I will show you how to use the FlatList in React Native. So first, why we are using the FlatList in React Native. So FlatList, so when we have a large amount of the data in array form and we want to render that data, so for that reason we are using the FlatList in React Native. So first of all, this is the data. I will copy this data, just copy. So just come here. So this is my project. I already run my project. So first, I will import my FlatList also. So this is my FlatList. I just import the FlatList from the React Native, and then we have a data. In the data, we should define the data also. This is my data, and then we have a render item. In the render item, just type like this item, and then we have a callback function, and then we have a return. And just type the view, and we can render our item also like this. And we have a item data title, see, first item, second item, and third item. And we can also style our item also, like we can give the styling background color, and let me copy this color also. And just want to paste this color. And also I need to style my text also, font size 40. So this is my FlatList. We can render the image also. So let me copy the image also. We can import one image from the. So this is image. So I just copy the image address. Now I will paste the image address and just copy this image address in the second also, and the third also. Let me change these color images also, and just paste it. And then we have another image also, like this image. Copy the image address and just remove this address. And then we have a image source URI and item, and just style. See, we have an image also, and we can pass and render anything in the FlatList. So now I have some another props of the FlatList. In the FlatList we have a lot of props. So first I will show you what is the list header component. So we have list header component. We can in the header component we can define the one header for. So this is my header component, and just type the text and define your header for your FlatList. Then just type the this is my header. See, list header component in the FlatList. So we have another props with the name of the list footer component. So this is my list footer component. I will show you how to use this footer component, and here we can type anything, we can render anything we want. So just come here and just type this is my footer. See, so see, we can see the footer in the bottom of the item. So now we have another prop, that is the bounce. How to off the bounce in the FlatList. So just come here and just type bounce and assign the false. It will be not bounce if the bounce is true. So it will be automatically bouncing. If the item is more than 10 or 15, see, we have a lot of items, see, and we have a bouncing. So if I remove the bounce, false, so we can scrolling but let me change the ID number of the everyone. So I will be like 4. We can define any ID as you wish. We can define any ID as you wish. So 6. We can change the ID of the everyone. Let me change. So we just change the ID number for the every item. So now I will change the this also, like 4 item, 5, 6, so 7th, 8 and 9. So let me save it. So we have, this is our all item 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now I have another props to how to hide this indicator, scrolling indicator. For that, just come to the flat list and just show vertical indicator. Just type here false. So see, now we do not see any indicator. So if you need the all item horizontally, so just come here and just type horizontal. So see, we can see every item horizontally. See, we can also off this indicator, also horizontal indicator. Just come to the flat list and show horizontal indicator. Just type false. Now you cannot see the any indicator. Also, we can also style our anything like a margin. We can give 20, and we can also like just type flex direction row. We can also type as a, and we should have a, we should define the height and width also. We can like this, just define the height 120, and width also, just define the width also 120. So let me 120 is less 200. So we need a space in every item. So for that we are using the item separator. So for item separator, and just come here and just take a view and just define the styling and margin horizontal. See, we have a space in every item. So see, we have a space in every item. So that is with the help of the item separator. So now I just remove the horizontal also. Let me show you like this. See, $300. See, so this is the flat list, and I show you how to render the flat list in React Native, and also how to use these props in the flat list, like a footer component, header component, also how to separate your item, showing your list horizontally and vertically. You can off also so you can also off the your scrolling also, scroll enable. We have a props of the scroll enable also. You can off your scroll also. See, now we cannot scroll also. So these are the props. You can do a practice. So this is for today, and see you in next video. For now, bye bye.